Just got some stuff in for the VB from our friends over at Overtake. Pretty cool right here. This is called a mod knob. And the reason they call it a mod knob is because this is all interchangeable. What we got here, this is a Delrin plastic. And they say it's heat resistant, cold resistant, so you're not freezing your hand, you're not burning your hand. And this is the weighted bottom. I think they said it's like 3/4 of a pound or something like that, just shy of it. It's stainless steel. Let me go ahead and pull it out and show you what it is. Okay, here's a closer look at it. Pretty cool. I love the look of the stainless steel with the overtake on it. That looks pretty clean. And then you got your Allen key. Wish I had better recording, but we'll work with what we got. I'll pause it when needed. But you just push this through there and thread it right into this Delrin plastic. So you would pretty much slide it on, thread it in, and then you can change to black, and then whatever cool knobs they come out with, bam, you got all kinds of shift knobs. But let me go ahead and throw this together, and then we'll go into the car and get it installed. And of course, they're the plug stickers. As you can see here, we got it all put together nice and tight. So let's go to the VB and get it installed. And if you've ever done this, you know it's real easy. You just take your knob and you just unscrew it. Off with the old. Boring old shifter. Slide the overtake one on. Ooh, boy, that feels good. I love how it says overtake on it. Ooh, that feels nice. Got perfect weight to it. Like I can just, I'm barely hitting it. Beautiful. It's really sunny out, but man, I love it. Once I get some white wheels or whatever route I go, man, shoo. And you know, it's the little things. It's just the little things. That's all. Very good. Very good. Thanks, guys. Also, guys, I'm going to put a link down in the description to this knob.